Hello kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics. Let's learn 3-letter blending. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. B E B B E B Bib Bib Wow! R E B R E B Rib Rib Fantastic! D E G D E G Dig Dig Keep on going. F E T F E T Fit Fit Great! F E F E Fin Fin Nice! H E T H E T Hit Hit Amazing! Let's read the words together. Bib Rib Dig Fit Fin Hit. This time, try to read the words yourself. Are you ready? Okay, you may start now. Yay! You made it! Please watch and subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with the fun time learning adventures. See you later!